Hello, everyone. Did you know that NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is not just about sending rockets into space, but also about making discoveries that completely change the way we look at the universe? In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 NASA discoveries that shook the world. These achievements took humans to the moon, uncovered secrets of the universe, and even helped us understand our own planet better. Stay tuned till the end, because the last discovery will blow your mind. Discovery number 1. The year 1969 was one of the greatest milestones in human history. NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first astronauts to set foot on the lunar surface. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," were not just a sentence, but the beginning of a new era for humanity. This mission proved that space was no longer out of reach. Friends, space exploration is not just about rockets and astronauts. It's about courage, curiosity, and survival. Going to space, living there for months or years, and coming back safely, it's one of the greatest challenges we've ever faced. Every mission, every experiment, every small step teaches us more about who we are, what we can endure, and where we can go next. It's a story of risk, sacrifice, and endless innovation. Let's begin with the CHAPIA program. This is no ordinary experiment. It's a full-scale simulation of life on Mars happening right here on Earth. NASA has placed 4 people inside a highly controlled habitat designed to mimic the surface of Mars. They'll live there for a whole year, cut off from the outside world, with limited supplies, facing isolation, stress, and problem-solving just like real astronauts on a distant planet. Scientists will study how the human body and mind handle these extreme conditions, what challenges arise, and how to overcome them. Because when we send humans to Mars, the journey will take months, and living there will take every ounce of preparation we can possibly imagine. Now let's talk about a technological breakthrough: producing oxygen in space. For decades, astronauts had to carry every drop of oxygen from Earth. But what if we could make it where we land? Imagine astronauts creating breathable air directly on the Moon or Mars, turning local resources into life itself. This isn't just convenience, it's survival. And it's the key to building real, lasting human settlements on other worlds. And then comes Artemis 2, a mission that carries the weight of history and the promise of the future. For the first time in over half a century, humans will travel back toward the moon. This is not just a return, it's the beginning of building a permanent lunar presence. A base, a gateway, a launch point for missions to Mars, and maybe even deeper into the solar system. The moon will no longer just be a symbol of exploration. It will become a stepping stone to the stars. Here's something even more ambitious. NASA is planning to install a nuclear reactor on the moon. Reliable power, continuous light, life support systems, all operating directly on the lunar surface, independent of Earth. If this succeeds, humans could live and work on the moon for months, even years, preparing for the next great leap outward. What was once pure science fiction is rapidly becoming engineering reality.